Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Wrangler battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side. Taking these precautions ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for everyone. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Grab a 10mm wrench and start by loosening the negative terminal. It's usually marked with a minus sign. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch anything. Next, loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp. This prepares the old battery for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Now, reverse the disconnection process. Start by reconnecting the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, attach the negative terminal last, making sure it's also nice and snug. Don't forget to resecure the battery hold-down clamp. You're almost done. Before closing the hood, double-check all your connections to ensure they are super tight and secure. For added protection and to prevent corrosion, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Lastly, remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will take it. Great job, your Jeep is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.